Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2000 Harley-Davidson DYNA wide glide. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2000 Harley-Davidson DYNA wide glide with 22,511 miles runs well. It's been upgraded with 14-inch handlebars, chrome levers, grips, rider and passenger footrests, an aftermarket exhaust, an open stage 1 intake, a passenger backrest, a chrome transmission cover, a luggage rack, swing arm covers, and a tank bib. Powered by an 88 cubic inch V-twin engine, the wide glide puts 68 horsepower and 78 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. With a 5.2 gallon fuel capacity, the wide glide has a 145 to 175 mile range. It has a 26.8 inch seat height and a 661 pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this bike will need front turn signals and non-flashing rear turn signals. Additionally, steering stem issues will need to be addressed, and this bike needs a chain guard and a quieter exhaust. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts and installed new tires. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs well. Our technician noted that the steering bearings need replacement. The steering lock has not been tested due to the bike not having keys. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's chrome pitting on the engine, cracked paint on the fuel tank, and the clear coat is cracked and peeling on the rear fender rail. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.